The year is 2025, and this is your moment. You've faced challenges, endured setbacks, and weathered storms that may have left you questioning yourself. But here's the truth. Your past does not define you. What defines you is how you choose to rise. This year is about rebuilding. It's about stepping out of the shadows of doubt and into the light of possibility. Picture the version of yourself you've always dreamed of, stronger, wiser, and more determined. That version of you isn't far away. It's within reach, waiting for you to take action. But taking action requires courage. It means letting go of excuses, silencing your inner critic, and truly believing that you are capable of more. Start small if you need to, but start. Every small step leads to progress, and progress builds momentum. Take a moment to reflect. What's the one thing that held you back in the past? Write it down. Own it. Drop it in the comments below so we can face it together. Your story might just inspire someone else to take their first step. When challenges come, and they will, remember this. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Struggles aren't there to break you. They're there to shape you. They make you tougher, sharper, and more resilient than ever before. This year, choose discipline over comfort. Choose growth over complacency. Choose to prioritize your dreams over distractions. The clock is ticking, and every day is an opportunity to rewrite your story. If this message resonates with you, hit the like button and let me know you're ready for your comeback. Don't forget to subscribe so we can walk this journey of self-improvement together. 2025 is here, waiting for you to take your next step. So take a deep breath, gather your strength, and move forward. This is your year. This is your comeback. Let's make it unforgettable.